man.
They're sleeping on bed, dreaming that we
Hello
are doing a
everyone,
class.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Liakat's Kids English School, and this is class for 3 to 4, batch number 4, and I'm your MMS. So let's get started. At first today, as everyone is entering still now, so let's first go with some synonym antonyms with the words. Let's learn about it.
Miss, you just said that we will play board game before.
Yeah, but no one is. It's like 4 people. The other persons are missing today.
Uh, for
With
yeah, that's actually yeah, it's true. Can we just wait a little? I mean, it has been like 10 minutes.
yes, we will wait it. Wait করতে করতে can't we just memorize something?
Okay,
No.
I just said okay, not no.
No. I was thinking about Shafa. Shafa was looking a little bit upset.
No, I was taking a screenshot.
Okay, this is about your word synonym and antonyms. I don't know if you can go all of it today. Maybe 5 words. There are 10 words in a row here, so maybe we can go with 5 today. So domestic, which means local, internal, native. And antonyms will be imported, alien, and outsider. Then amaze. Amaze means also surprise.
My look, Araf is here.
Hell yes! Finally, I was actually worried.
What's the bro?
Astonish, bewilder, stun, flabbergast. There
Okay,
is no
Miss, that's
antonym.
enough students. Now board game.
No. Araf চলে আসছে now board game, huh?
What?
Yes. Araf, if Araf is
ঠিক
here,
আছে.
every board
Okay,
game is
okay.
fun.
Araf, we were waiting for you there. Thank you for
Okay.
waiting
Now
for me.
let's go with 5 of it. Come on. Brave, courageous, valiant, fearless, coward, timid, weakling.
That's not fair.
Bravery is courage, valor. Cowardice, fearfulness, timidity. Then love can be affection, fondness, hatred, and dislike. Okay, so I think so that's all you can আজকে 5 করবেন নাকি 10 of it? Which one?
5.
Five.
Okay, go with 5 of
Okay,
it.
6 to 7, okay?
Huh?
No need, Umar. No more.
Okay, you can go now memorizing it, then I will ask you.
Miss, do you memorize this?
Yeah, only 5 now.
Yes. Oh. If you don't mind, can I say something? That Samantha is like saying, "Why we need to memorize it?" I think she's saying because she's boiragi.
What?
Because look at her name. She's Samantha boiragi. Boiragi, meaning she's angry with books, ragi with books. Boiragi. That is why she's like hating this.
Okay, come on. Come on.
Assalamualaikum, Miss.
Walaikum assalam.
Man, instant roast.
Bird got instant roasted. Cool.
Just what is it?
These are synonym antonym. 5 of them তোমরা এখানে শিখবে আজকে 5 of them you gonna learn here.
Miss, can you say again? My volume was low.
Huh?
My volume was low. Can you say it again?
This is উপরে পড়তে পারছো না? Word.
Yes. Like what
Synonym and
we will
antonym.
do?
You have to memorize it. Okay, here the spelling is little bit of wrong. Here it won't be like H here. Only 5. আজকে শুধু 5টা পড়বো আমরা up to love. So let's see. And we are going to learn it in here. বুঝেছো? ফাতেহা ক্লাসেই শিখতে হবে। Come on. তাহলে চলো এটা বাসায় পড়া থাকবে। Come on, everyone write it
Yay.
down. Then we will go for the board game. Come on.
Miss, can you just share the slide again? I want to take a screenshot.
Miss,
Okay.
can I leave? I need to go somewhere.
Why? What happened? Is there any emergency?
Yes, Miss, like, we need to buy something. And my mom is calling me too early.
Okay, ঠিক আছে। Tell her that we are having class. তোমার মামা জানে?
Yes,
ক্লাসে
Miss, আমাকে leave নিতে বললো।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, ওকে ঠিক আছে।
Okay,
Then
Miss.
you can go.
আল্লাহ হাফেজ, Miss। আসসালামু
আল্লাহ
আলাইকুম।
হাফেজ। Okay, সবাই ঝটপট করে লিখে ফেলো। Come on, fast, fast. I'm giving you 10 minutes only. Come on.
Oh, for 3 of them or 5?
5.
Hell no.
Miss, now do I need to write all of them?
No, only 5 of it.
I mean the synonyms, which has
Yeah,
more
all
than.
of them. লিখলে তো সবগুলোই লেখা যায়, isn't it?
Okay. We cannot go without finishing it. We need to finish it. Then we will go to
No.
other lesson.
It's not
Okay,
like
okay,
that.
okay, done, done,
Okay,
done,
do
done, done, done,
anyone
done.
have a dice?
I have a dice. I
Like
can roll for
what
you.
dice? The real dice in
After
real
we
life?
do
we played
Gootie's
only
dice.
3 of us, then we roll dice. I got the dice. Okay? Who
Okay,
will go
roll
first?
the
Me.
dice. But there's one biggest rule. You cannot roll the dice twice. Then a turn.
Okay, come on,
Okay.
do it fast, fast. Come on, we are
Okay,
running out
only
of
one.
time.
Then the starting one will be boy
Acha,
will start, okay?
Samara, come in
Both
front of the
dice
camera.
is not
Araf and
unrolling, okay?
Numair, you should stop excess talking now. Just play the dice and we're gonna start again.
Okay,
And
Samantha is not starting first.
First of all, Shafa, then Numair, Samantha, Araf, Samara. Okay, we will go by this. Shafa?
Okay.
Miss,
Yes.
do you need to answer these questions?
Yes, according to the numbers you're gonna
Shafa
get.
got 2. Shafa got 2.
Safa got 2. Okay, mention 8 fruits and your time starts now. 10 seconds.
Banana, apple, orange, banana, apple, strawberry, blueberry.
4,
Wait,
5,
kiwi,
6, 7.
avocado, pear.
The time is done. I
Your
got
time
it.
is up.
Yeah,
Time's
no.
up. Shesh.
So much. It is done so far back. I was talking with muted. That's why it doesn't hear it. I
Okay, let
counted.
me
Okay, next. Who's next?
put on me timer. Let me put timer on it.
Okay, no mind now. Okay, we will start at 2. Okay.
Huh?
What did Numar get?
Numair, let's see. We will start at 2. He got 1.
Okay, 1. Name 8 things that can fly. Time starts now.
8. Okay. Eagle, sparrow.
3, 4,
Parrot, pigeon.
7,
Time's up. Time's
8,
up.
9, 10. Done.
Time's up. Time's up.
Miss, I'm saying that people will like do Shafa got 2, then we will get 1 from 2. Then it's 3. Numa will say from 3, like mention 8
Araf,
colors.
I said don't talk excess talk. আর কোনো কিছু না. Dice যার পড়েছে বলে ফেলবা. We are running out of time. If you talk much, we are
Then
going
we
to
will
run out
get
of time.
same things
Samantha?
again and again.
Samantha, play the dice for Samantha. Come on. It's 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, go back 2 space. 1, 2. Mention 8 professions and your time starts now.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Service,
5,
engineer,
6,
doctor,
7,
nurse,
8, 9,
police.
10.
Time's up. Time's up.
Okay. Miss, can I
I
talk
think
a
so.
bit?
I have to go with 20 seconds. First 10
Miss,
seconds,
can
then
I
I have to
talk
go
now?
with 20 seconds.
Peter is still all out.
Yes, Araf,
If
what
you
is
get
it?
6, then you can roll again, like Ludo. Okay, Miss?
What?
That's gonna be fun. If you can land 6, then you will roll the dice again.
No,
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 it
no,
do-
no,
no, no, it do-
no,
we
no,
don't need
no.
it. Okay, now
Then we
play
will
dice
roll
for
that.
yourself, Araf. Just play dice for yourself.
Don't lie. Now it's your turn.
4. I rolled 4. Okay.
1, 2,
It's
3, 4. Wait a second. Let me put the timer. 1, 2, 3, go.
One,
the
two,
doctor, engineer, advocate, and
Doctor,
it's 20
engineer.
seconds. Advocate,
Someone
cleaner,
Time's up.
and
Time's up. Doctor, engineer,
it's 20
advocate
seconds, not
বলেছে।
10.
না 10 seconds first সবাই 10 seconds করে বলেছে না এরপর থেকে 20 seconds
Okay.
হবে
From now
Now,
it's 20,
Samara.
20 seconds.
সামারা
Oh,
বলো সামারা
minutes left.
সামারা come on
Is 3. 1.
play dice for Samara 6 okay 3 6 2 name 8 professions and your time starts now
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Huh?
7,
Samara, say
Eight.
8 professions.
9.
সামারা কি নেটওয়ার্কে প্রবলেম ওকে
What?
তো দেখাই যাচ্ছে না ওকে দেখা
1,
যাচ্ছে
3,
না
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
Is she
19, 20.
dumb? Oh my
She's
goodness, this is the
counting numbers.
easiest
She's
one.
counting time right
Why
now.
are
সামারা
you
আহা
counting?
সবাই একটু শান্ত থাকি এত কথা বললে কিভাবে হবে first let me
Wait,
hear
don't you
what
like-
happened you come to a point judgment point how come Samara what happened
The network was
She was
off.
counting time.
what
She was
Then
counting time. 1 to 10. 1, 2.
Araf. Samara yes what happened
The network went off.
your network was off
That's kind of weird.
ঠিক আছে from now on you want to go with the 20 seconds where is Araf where is Araf এখন Araf
Maybe
নাই।
I should. Okay, he's not here.
Okay, who's now?
Araf we are
Shaf-
going for
Shafa.
20 seconds now Numair come on
Okay, Numai first. Okay, let's go. Numai is going
Miss,
to
Shafa
I
is
was
সাফা
first.
আগে ছিল সাফা আগে
I
ছিল
was
আচ্ছা
first.
হ্যাঁ,
Oh,
সাফা
okay,
যাও।
okay.
Shafa got 2. Number 2.
Three.
Shafa got number 2.
Three,
Shafa
Mention
got
8
in,
colors.
1
Easy.
2 mention 8 forms in past participle wait a second and your
No,
time
it's
starts
supposed to
from
be mention 8 colors.
why you were তুমি 2 3 2 তে ছিলে না
হ্যাঁ।
তাহলে এখন কি 3 পড়েছে না?
Oh, like
1, 2,
that.
3.
Okay, that's fun.
Mention 8 forms in past participle and your time starts
That
now.
makes sense. That makes sense.
I didn't understand the question.
I like.
Eh? Mention 8 forms in past participle.
8 forms. Okay. Time.
Eh?
20
Past
seconds.
participle
Starts
bolbe.
now.
Your
1,
time starts
2,
now.
3. Okay, I'm gonna get my stopwatch right now.
আমি টাইমার নিয়ে নিয়েছি, তোমাকে দিতে হবে না। I
Okay.
have got the clock.
Wait.
1, 2, 3,
That
4,
was.
And
5,
your time's
Well,
up.
6,
Done.
7.
Wait, what the hell?
Safa, come on, past participle রূপ বলবা, 8টা এরকম বলবা, words বলবা।
Means I forgot it.
Present past and past participle 1.
Oh, এবার বুঝছি।
এবার বুঝছো?
Okay, done.
Okay, now Numair. Play dice for Numair.
I was thinking another thing. I was telling another thing.
Okay. Araf, come on, play dice for Araf. Yeah, Numair.
Okay.
Time to roll the dice. Oh my god. 2.
No.
He was
Numair
got.
was in
He
1.
did got 2
Mention
in the
8
last one.
colors. 1, 2, 3. Go. Numair,
Huh?
mention 8
Miss, one
colors.
second. 8 colors.
8.
Yeah. Time
Red.
starts
boy.
now.
Okay. Red, blue, gray, purple, orange, indigo, violet, and pink.
Okay, fine. You have finished
Done.
within time.
The
ঠিক
first
আছে, now
one. The legend.
Samantha, play dice for Samantha.
Okay,
একজন
Samantha
ডাইসের
বইরা
মধ্যে অন্যজন কেউ কথা বলে, একজন ডাইসের মধ্যে অন্যজন কথা বলে শোনা যায়।
It's 4.
সামান্তা কোথায় ছিল? 8 professions I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mentions things which are sweet. Your time starts now.
Chocolate, cake,
We see
lollipop, desserts,
Desert.
pastries, and ice creams.
Time's up. Okay, you have finished within time.
Now me.
Okay, yes. Go on, Araf.
Why is it 8 things? It's actually kind of hard.
1.
1.
Yes.
Okay, you have
Not
to
that
tell.
participle thing. I forgot that one.
1, 2, start.
Which one?
Participle.
I forgot that. I said you guys.
How come you
Okay,
forgot
come
the
on, man.
participles?
I mean, it's not that hard.
Your time's
I
up.
mean, it's not.
You
Okay,
have to
done.
say
Wow.
the verbs in the past participle form. That's all.
For
Okay,
example,
now
done. For example,
Samara.
done. For example, done.
Samarar জন্য হবে. Samara, come on.
Oh, you were saying words
Yes, words.
Yeah.
like fall, fell, fallen.
Yes.
Oh, I saw. I thought
Araf,
statue.
come on. Samarar জন্য play করো dice.
Okay.
Mystery.
কত পড়েছে আমি দেখি নাই।
Mrs. 3.
3. Okay. So mention 8 colors.
Yes,
Your
it's
time
1.
starts.
I saw it. It's 1.
It's
I
1.
rolled the
Oh,
dice.
acha. Mention 8 things which can fly. Your time starts now. বলো
Bird.
Eight birds name.
Duck. Hen.
Duck and a fly. Duck and a fly.
Your time's up.
Yes.
Duck can't fly. You have to mention 8 things that can fly. Any bird's name.
20 seconds is so
For
fast.
example, like eagle, crow.
Okay, সবার বেলায় সমস্যা হয়। ঠিক আছে, now let's go with Shafa. Shafa was in where? Shafa কোথায় ছিল?
I was mentioning profession.
Past
Or,
participle. Past participle এ ছিল, তাই না? Okay, Araf, play the dice.
It's 5.
It's 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, lose a turn. You can't say anything. Okay, let's go with Numair.
Okay.
Sorry, you need to lose a turn. Because then I'm gonna be next. It's 4. Okay, where was Numar at? Actually,
Mention
At the color.
8 domestic animals.
1, 2, 3, 4. Mention 8
Man.
people in your family. Wait a second.
That's
Your time starts now. 1,
that's so easy.
তুমি এখানে না, তুমি এই যে তুমি প্রফেশনসে ছিলে নাকি?
Yes. No, I mean no color. I was in color.
ছিলে। Okay,
yes,
1, 2,
he
3,
was in
4.
color.
যে mention 8 people in your সবাই সবার পজিশন মনে রাখবে। আমাকে মনে করাই দিতে হয় কেন? জাস্ট এরপর থেকে যাবা, বলবা। নিজে লক্ষ্য
Miss-
করবা যে কোথায় ডাইস যাচ্ছে, কততে যাচ্ছে।
Means my family member's name
Yes. 1, 2, 3,
Okay.
go.
Ardi, Aiza, Shakil, Shopon, Nusai, Ahir, Ondo, Obundi. Done.
Hand twister
Done.
names. Wow.
Okay, thank you. Now
Tongue
let's go
twister.
with
Araf.
Let's
I
do it.
got my own
Samantha.
uncle in name.
Samara.
I got my
Samara
own
কোথায়?
uncle.
6. Okay, I'm the first one yet. So far.
Samantha
6, okay?
কোথায় ছিল?
I was in past participle. 1, 2, 3, 4,
সামান্থা
5,
বলবে তো।
6.
সামান্থার পরে
Bench.
তুমি না?
No, miss, I'm
Yes.
first. I'm first. What do you mean, bro? What do you mean?
সামান্থা আগে, তারপর
Stop cheating.
কি অবস্থা?
No
এই
cheating.
যে ভুলে যাও কিসের জন্য? এই কয়েকটা প্যাটার্ন মনে রাখতে পারে না। সামান্থা, come on.
No.
Where were you?
I mean, mention things which are sweet.
Okay, mention things which are sweet. এখান থেকে 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Mention 8 domestic
Mention 8 domestic animals and your time starts from now.
Samantha's winning.
bird.
Monkey, tiger, then lion, crocodile.
Those aren't domestic. Those are wild.
Araf!
Well,
No, Samantha, you are wrong. You have to talk about domestic animals. Domestic means
Those are
গৃহপালিত
wild.
পশু, যারা হচ্ছে ঘরে পালিত হয়। First one was okay, monkey. Some
Hen
people
farm.
go for monkeys like dog, cat, horse, cow, sheep, lamb. Okay, these are domestic animals. Okay, now let's go with Araf. Araf
Okay.
was in past
Okay,
participle.
fast.
Stop saying fast. I'm doing it. 2. Nice.
1, 2. Mention 8 people in your family. And
Okay,
your time
if you want,
starts from
right,
now.
Mahmouda Begum, Nurul Huda, and And that's my grandparents and Shaukat Wahid Nabi, Ruben Nabi, and me, Labib, Rafika, তারপরে Alamin, and one
Finish.
Time's up.
That's it. I got it.
Okay, now let's go with Samara.
Okay, Miss.
Samara.
Samara কোথায় ছিল?
Samara. One.
Mention 8 things that can fly.
Oh,
The
that can fly. Okay, ঠিক আছে, যাও. Go for
this
it.
is gonna be long shade. I'm shaking.
Go on.
Okay, come on.
Play the dice.
Miss is 2.
It's 6. After that much
Okay,
shaking,
1, 2, 3,
I thought it's gonna
4,
land
5,
on one.
6. Okay,
Miss is 2.
Araf, আর কথা নয়, 6. So your time starts from now. Mention 8 people in your family. 1, 2, 3,
She got
go.
directly after me. What?
সামারা তোমার ভাই বোন চাচা মামি টামি ওদের নাম বলো 8 জনের মধ্যে।
Okay.
তামারা এতক্ষণ টাইম লাগানো যাবে না তো, তোমার 20 সেকেন্ডস টাইম, তোমার টাইম
Just
স্টার্ট
say
করার
it
পর 20
rapidly.
সেকেন্ডসে বলতে হবে, এভাবে
Say it
চুপচাপ থাকা
rapidly.
যাবে না।
ঠেক করে বলবা। পানির মতো।
Okay, your time starts again. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ramjit, Naima, Ramjit.
তাড়াতাড়ি
Ranjit,
Children alive.
Your time's up.
finish.
তামারা তুমি কি করো? তামারা, why are you so slow? তোমাকে 20 seconds টাইম দেওয়া হচ্ছে, তোমাকে মেনশন 8 people. তুমি এইভাবে
Because
ধরে
she
থেকে
doesn't
বলে হবে না।
know.
Numar be like, তাড়াতাড়ি।
You have to
Miss
talk fast. Samara, বসে থাকলে হবে না। You have to speak.
Mr. Finished.
I
তোমার
got
তো
it.
finish
She
time
was
শেষ,
talking
time তো
while
অনেক আগেই
muted.
শেষ সামারা, তোমার টাইম তো অনেক আগেই শেষ।
Now it's time for Shafa.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, let's end it here today.
No.
I just finished mine.
না তোমার থেকে ফার্স্ট শুরু হচ্ছে, সো আমরা ওইভাবে আবার নেক্সট ক্লাসে করব।
Okay.
Everyone remember their position, that's important. ঠিক আছে, সবাই
Okay.
সবার
I'm in
position
second.
মনে রাখবে।